Well, the Vatican unveiled a new policy for handling cases of sex abuse. Meanwhile, a top church official said celibacy had nothing to do with the issue of priests molesting children. CBS News correspondent Elaine Quijano reports.
From a Catholic church in crisis, mixed messages from officials. On a trip to Chile, the Vatican's #2 said to reporters, "I have been told recently that there is a relationship between homosexuality and pedophilia. That is the truth. I read it in a document written by psychologists, so that is the problem." That prompted outrage from gay rights groups, including the Human Rights Campaign, which told CBS News, quote, "As reputable studies have proven and common sense bears out, there is no connection between gay people and pedophilia. When the church makes gay people a scapegoat for pedophiles, it ignores one problem and creates another." And from a lone priest at St. Michael's in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts, outrage over the church's handling of the sex abuse scandal.
They have not admitted to the cover-up. They are in constant denial.
Father James Scahill, a longtime critic of the church's response to the sex abuse scandal, blasted the church's hierarchy.
If by the slimmest of chance the Pope and his bishops didn't know, then they should resign because of total, complete ignorance, incompetence, and irresponsibility.
Against that backdrop, the Vatican, for the first time, spelled out on its website the procedures it says bishops must follow in abuse cases, including, quote, civil law concerning reporting of crimes to the appropriate authorities. A tacit acknowledgement that the church's past policies have failed to protect some of its most vulnerable members. Elaine Quijano, CBS News, New York.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.